Hi, I'm Dr. Fuat, exploring the health impacts of aflatoxins today. Aflatoxins are toxic compounds produced by certain molds, specifically Aspergillus flavus and Aspergillus parasiticus. These molds thrive in soil and decaying vegetation, and they can contaminate grains like corn, peanuts, and cottonseed. Discovered in 1960, aflatoxins were linked to turkey X disease and feed-related cancer in trout. When we consume food tainted with aflatoxins, we could experience acute symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, and abdominal pain. But it's the long-term exposure that's truly worrisome, leading to liver damage, weakened immune response, and even birth defects. Developing countries bear the brunt of this, where aflatoxins are a major culprit behind liver cancer due to frequent and higher levels of exposure. Aflatoxin B1, or AFB1, is the most toxic of these molds. It can even find its way into milk through a derivative known as aflatoxin M1 after being metabolized by livestock. Given the stakes, the FDA deems aflatoxins as unavoidable contaminants, but that doesn't mean we're defenseless. There are strict regulations and advanced methods to detect and minimize aflatoxin contamination in our food supply. The International Agency for Research on Cancer classifies AFB1 as a Group 1 carcinogen. That means it's a known cancer-causing agent in humans. Understanding aflatoxins is vital for health. Stay informed to protect yourself. Thanks for learning about aflatoxins with me. Stay alert for our next video on foods to avoid for safety. Keep learning, stay healthy, and see you next time.